All right, guys, this is section 10.3. We are talking about frequency tables. This is a fairly straightforward section, so I don't see this video being particularly long. Essentially, what a frequency or a two-way table is it is a way to display data and compare basically two different things, like two different categories, like boys and girls and favorite type of class. So here would be an example of a two-way frequency table. Okay, we got two categories, gender and favorite class, and then we're going to compare it. It is essential that these have total columns for us to really utilize this information. So obviously, the people who prefer science and math should have to add up to the total for both boys and girls. And similarly, they should add up vertically. 23 and 9 is 32. 27 and 41 is 68. And they should then the totals here should add up to 100 as well. Some of the types of questions are going to be things where you guys have to fill in the additional information. So like here, this is favorite TV show, and once again, gender. So when we compare totals, well, there's 87 total boys and an unknown number of girls, but in total there's 192. We should be able to do that subtraction, right? 192 minus 87 and get 105. So we should be able to build the whole two-way frequency table using that same idea, following those same ideas. Girls who like Lost plus girls who like The Office plus girls who like Modern Family is 105. I could add these up, 75. 75 plus an unknown has got to be 105. I could do 105 minus 75 then and get 30. These have to add up to 55. We should know this needs to be 18, I hope, because 18 plus 20 is 38. And same idea here. This plus an unknown is 87. So we could do 87 minus this, and that would give us 44. And the same thing, these add up to 99, and this plus this should also be 99. So you're doing things like that. We do have one question that will be a little bit more difficult, and that would be building your two-way frequency table. So in these situations, I give you a bunch of information, and you're going to have to create the frequency table. I think what's hard about this is getting it started. Oftentimes, in this situation, there are 152 Spectrum students that play either wrestling, basketball, or volleyball. For this example, no one can play more than one of these sports. I think those are all like winter sports, so it makes sense. 22 in total who wrestle, 50 who play basketball, and the rest play volleyball. Okay. 10 who wrestle, 10 boys who wrestle, 26 girls play basketball, and a total of 80 play one of these sports. Make it to a frequency table. Okay, so I hope that you guys have kind of seen the breakdown. Once again, we are going to have boys and girls. And we're going to need a total. So we got something like this. Oof, that's pretty ugly. The other categories would be sports they play. So we could have a wrestle. Oh, I misspelled it. That's embarrassing. Wrestle, b-ball, or v-ball. And then we'll have a total. All right, in total, we have 152 students playing one of the sports. So we know 152 can go there. No one plays more than one. There are a total of 22 who wrestle. So total wrestle, 22. 50 who play basketball. And the rest play volleyball. Well, we should be able to do this subtraction, right? This plus, so wrestle, b-ball plus volleyball has got to be 152, so I could subtract them. 152 minus 50 would be 102, minus 22 would be 80. Cool. 10 boys who wrestle. 10 boys who wrestle. Well, because boys who wrestle plus girls who wrestle has got to be 22, I didn't know that this one's got to be 12. 26 girls play basketball. Well, boys who play basketball plus girls who play basketball has got to be 50. Therefore, this one's got to be 24. It's kind of like a puzzle, right? This is so exciting. A total of 80 boys play one of the sports. So one of the sports, this has got to be 80. That's going to be enough information now. 80 plus 72 is 152. And I know that 10 plus 24 plus this unknown has got to be 80. So I could subtract these. 80 minus 24 would be 56. Minus 10 would be 46. And 46 plus what is 80? That would be 34. Hopefully these add up. Let's make sure they do. 26 and 34 add up to 60, plus 12 is 72. So there's my two-way frequency table. I now know how many boys play each of the sports, how many girls play each of the sports, etc. You guys will have a worksheet on this stuff found under the submissions tab. Let me know if you guys have any questions.